Morning students, welcome to the class. Today's date is 18th June 2021. As you know, we have already completed our syllabus and today is the last day of the revision before the PT1 exam. We are going to do the lesson number 3, My Sense Organs today. The learning outcome of today's class is recalling the 5 sense organs and its functions. We have already discussed and talked about the different 5 sense organs. So today we are going to recall it once again and also we are going to discuss its functions. So we the human beings have a body, right? You have a body, I have a body. From our hair, it starts from the head to the toe. So we have different parts of body in our whole human body, right? Now, from these different parts, we are going to talk about 5 main parts which are also called the 5 sense organs. The first one, as you can see here, the first one is the eyes. Okay, the first one is the eyes. Where we have our eyes? We have on our face. So these are the eyes. Then the next we have the ears. So we have the ears, 2 ears, 2 eyes. Remember, we have 2 eyes, 2 ears. Then we have the nose. So nose is on our face. So this is the nose. Then we have the hands. And the last one is we have, it's not hands, you can write it as skin, okay? And then we have the last one, tongue. Okay, so these are the 5 sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, skin and the tongue. Now let us talk about the different sense organs here. So with our eyes helps us to see things, that is the sight. We say it as sight, S-I-G-H-T, sight. That means it helps us to look at the things around us. Then we have the ears. Ears helps us in hearing. It helps us in hearing sounds. So this main action or main work of the ears is to hear. That is H-E-A-R-I-N-G, hearing. Then we have the tongue. Now tongue, we used to taste things, right? Whatever food we have, we used to taste with our tongues. So that is the taste. T-A-S-T-E, taste. Then we have our skin. So with our skin, we can touch. We can touch all the things, right? So T-O-U-C-H, touch. And then the last one, we have the nose. With the nose, we can smell good things, bad things, everything, right? So our nose helps us to smell things. S-M-E-L-L, smell. So let us talk about the eyes. It is all about sight. So our eyes lets us see the things that are all around us. We have so many things around us, right? We have the trees, we have the sky, we can also see the colors as well, right? When we close our eyes, it is all black. But as soon as we open it, it is colorful and we can see lots of things around us. We can see birds, we can see animals, we can see house, wall, curtains, beds, tables, etc. So these all things can be seen with our eyes. As you can see on the screen here, I have some ribbons and balloons. Now how can we tell that these are ribbons and balloons? Because we are looking at it, right? We are seeing with our eyes and it has different colors as well. So we can recognize it by looking at these things. We have balloons, we have ribbons, etc. Then about the smell. We can smell things by our nose. So we can smell when your mama is cooking food in the kitchen, we can smell the delicious food cooking in the kitchen, right? So we use our nose to smell things. As you can see here on your screen, the first picture, the girl is smelling the dustbin or the garbage. It is very bad smell. That means it's stinking. We don't like the smell of the dustbin. Then the second girl is smelling the flowers. We love to smell flowers because the smell is very sweet. Then we have the third one. The girl is smelling the food. Who doesn't love to smell the food? Everybody loves to smell the food, right? So these are some of the examples of smelling. Now let us move to the hearing. We use our ears. We use our ears to hear all sorts of different sounds. Knocking of the door, the bell ringing in the school, the bus honking, everything can be heard with our ears. You can see on the screen we have the first picture. The child is listening to the music. Then the dog is barking, oof, oof. Then the car is also making honking. It's like beep, beep, right? So these are the different sounds that we can hear. Now as I am speaking, even you are also able to hear to me, right? Yes. How do we hear? We hear with our ears. Then about the taste. We can taste lots of different flavors using our tongue, right? When we eat the chocolate, it is sweet. When we eat a lemon, it is sour. When we eat a Kerala, which is a bitter gourd, right? Sabji, the Kerala, then how does it taste? It's bitter. Yuck. We don't like the taste, right? It's bitter. Or you can, without sugar, if you drink the coffee, then also it is bitter in taste. Then when we eat some French fries or momos or chips, what is the taste? It is salty. And what about the chilies? When we eat the chilies, it's spicy, right? We don't feel like eating it, so hot and spicy. So these are some of the tastes that we can taste with our tongue. Sweet, sour, bitter, salty and spicy. Then the last sense organ is our skin, right? Which is the touch. We can feel things with our skin or body parts. Because we have skin covered. Our body has been covered by skin. From head to toe, it is all covered with skin. That is why we can feel things with our skin or body parts. I can feel hot milk. I can feel cold eyes. I can feel smooth surface. And I can also feel the rough surface. So by touching it, we can feel, like by touching the teddy bear, we know that it is very soft. But if we touch a wood, then it is very hard and rough, right? So these are some of the things that we can feel by touching with our skin. So these are the 5 sense organs which we have discussed. I hope you have understood it, and you are going to read the chapter as well as try the exercises properly and then attempt it in the exam. So here I am going to wind up my class. Thank you.